Moi kaikille! Today we are going to talk about Finnish verbs. Finnish verbs are grouped into 6 types based on how they behave in different tenses and persons. Here we are talking about type 5 verbs. These verbs are less common, but they are still super important. They follow a regular pattern. So once you know how they work, they are easy to use. So let's get started. Verbityppi 5. Verb type 5. Verbs belonging to this verb type end in ita or ita. For example, häiritä, to disturb, it ends in ita. Tarvita means to need, it ends in ita. Valita, to choose, it again ends in ita. Hallita, to govern or to control. Merkita, to mark. Mainita means to mention. Basically, the basic form or the infinitive of verb type 5 always ends in ita or ita. In this slide, we will see what is vartalo or stem. The stem of a verb is the base form of the verb that stays the same when you add different endings in order to make different tenses, persons, or moods. So, the stem is the core part of the verb that you use to build different forms. Let's see with the help of an example. Häiritä means to disturb. In order to find the verb's infinitive stem, you remove the final ta or ta, and to this you add tse. So what remains is häiritse, the stem. Let's see another example. Tarvita, to need. Here we remove ta and to this we append tse. So what you get is tarvitse, which is the stem. Here we will see conjugation or taivutus. Now what is verb conjugation? The verb conjugation means changing the form of a verb to match the subject, as in who is doing the action, or the tense, as in when the thing is happening. Let's start conjugating the verb häiritä. Minä plus häiritse, which is the stem, plus personal ending for minä, which is n. What we get is minä häiritsen, or simply häiritsen, I disturb. Similarly, sinä häiritset, you disturb. Hän häiritsee, here you double the vowel. Häiritsee means he or she disturbs. Here we will see some plural conjugation with the same verb häiritä. Me häiritsemme means we disturb. Te häiritsette means you all disturb. He häiritsevät means they disturb. Now let's understand this verb type 5 with example sentences. In present tense. Hän häiritsee minua. Here, hän is the subject. Häiritsee comes from the verb häiritä. Minua means me. Hän häiritsee minua. He or she is disturbing me. Let's take another example. Hän hallitsee maata. Here, Hän is the subject. Hallitse comes from the verb hallita, means to govern. Maata means country. Hän hallitse maata. He or she governs the country. Let's take another example. Hän mainitsee nimesi. Here, hän is the subject. Mainitsee comes from the verb mainita, means to mention. Nimesi means your name. Hän mainitsee nimesi means he or she mentions your name. Here we will look at all conjugations of the verb tarvita, means to need. Minä tarvitsen, I need. Sinä tarvitset, you need. Hän tarvitsee, he or she needs. Me tarvitsemme, we need. Te tarvitsette, you all need. He tarvitsevat, they need. That was all for today. Now you have mastered type 5 verbs in Finnish. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.